So Ramjack has the opportunity to help a homeowner in need. We had talked about trying to get in the habit of doing more for our community, whether it's 2 times a year or 200. What would that look like? Ramjack Texas started out in this Dallas-Fort Worth metro. We have grown so much. Today we have 4 locations. We have one that's in Belton, which services that Austin area. We have one in San Antonio. We have another one in Houston. We've had the support from the community and our employees and our customers, and we're at an opportunity today where we can give back.
So Steve Gregory, our owner and founder, is a very generous person. This is a legacy that he started years and years ago, and we continue with that legacy to give back to the community in areas that we can do.
One of our project managers went on an appointment and basically said, hey, I have this very unique story. This person is a veteran. He is on a kidney transplant list and he needs some help. Here at Ramjack, some of our employees are veterans. It really touches us and it impacts us because of how close we are with our staff. There's no other perfect candidate for us to help.
It's something that we want to do. It's something that we want to give back to. Kevin called us to come out to look at his home. His main concern was the front door was sticky. He did an evaluation. We draw the house out. We take elevations, we look at the damage to the house, and we discovered other damage. His expansion joint was separating. His windows were separating from the wall, and there were cracks in the brick and cracks in the sheetrock inside. We presented the plan. It was a little out of his reach, and it was very apparent that this was an opportunity for us to help.
So our objective is to go out, we'll install some exterior piles around the perimeter, and we will underpin that to support that foundation.
My name is Kevin Morrow. I'm a disabled veteran. I entered the Navy in 1989. I got out 2004. I went to look for a job. Took a physical. I was told I had end-stage renal disease. My disease was caused by being in the contaminated area. There's a storm, burning oil fields. I was an engineer, so I worked with a lot of jet fuel, diesel engines, been a lot of radiation areas. Oh man, it's been rough.
I believe that we can always do better and be better. It was really a good opportunity for us to show exactly what we are.
The rep that came out was very helpful. I was actually doing dialysis when he came. So he saw me hooked up to the machine. My treatments last 2 hours and 50 minutes. This is my graft. This is where I stick myself. I remove my own needles. He waited till I got off. He walked the house with me, showed him a few things, and I came in there. We sat right there at the table, went over the numbers. He explained everything. It was very helpful. He was interested in my story. He was like, I'm gonna find a way to help you. The guys came out, they were on time. They got right to work, man. They knocked it out. You know, they told me it would take a full day, but it actually took maybe half a day. That's impressive.
The person giving receives more than the person that received the work. And it makes us feel good to be able to help somebody.
I really feel like it is a neighbor helping out a neighbor. And the fact that we have the opportunity to do this for this homeowner means everything to us.
It was just a good experience, great experience. It's a little overwhelming. Just want to say thank you guys for making it happen. It's a dream come true. It was no way I would have got it done without you guys' big hearts and sympathy. And just want to say thank you guys so much.